Okay, another Bronco update. It's Friday the 13th. Good day to get the knife in the back. But if you watch my other videos, I'm going to just stop the talking for a second. Is your finger in the video?
No.
You sure? Because it looks like you're giving me the middle finger in the video. Okay.
No.
Welcome back to another Bronco update. Normally, this is a Jeep station. Station. I feel like Biden just right there. Station. Station. Oh my God. Let's do another record. Okay. This is normally a YouTube channel on Jeeps, but I do a couple Bronco videos, and I got my email today. Did you? But this email, everyone knew was coming. If you watched YouTube channels yesterday, it was everywhere. We're not getting a Bronco until 2022. But I told you that in a few videos before, and I had a lot of comments in the comments section. I got my VIN. I'm gonna get my Bronco. No, you're not. No, you didn't. And no, you're not gonna. Okay? There are people gonna get the Broncos. This leads me into another quick thing. When you're watching all these YouTube videos out there, just realize, I'm going to go out on a limb, on a big limb. Most of them are paid shills. Okay, at this point in time, you know, country, I'm going to say, Bronco Nation, you're all paid shills at this point in time because you're not really giving any good information. You're just doing talking points. If you want a good station, good station. Okay, excuse me. I am sick. I went on vacation. I came down with, an illness.
You got the coof?
No, I do not have the coof. I got the flu.
You don't have the coof?
No, it's the flu. That's what the doctor says. Fuck you. It's the coof. The flu. Damn you! Shut up. No, it's the flu. Really. So I've been under the weather, so I haven't been working on a Jeep. I have a few videos coming out on this. If you like Jeeps, take a look. But going back to the shills, there are very few stations I try. God damn it, man! I don't feel good. There's very few channels I trust. He's probably not going to want me to use his name at this point in time, but there is a station called All Terrain Nation. Now, I'm going to put a link in the description. I am telling you this. I do not know this person. He needs more viewers because he has been right on from the beginning. He has someone on the inside. He knows the industry, but seriously, everything he's been on top of it from day one about the delays, about what's going to happen next, and he deserves some love. So I'm going to put a link. Go check him out, and at least he's not fluffing, ball sacks to get views. He's telling you the truth, and half these other stations, they're not. They're just lying to us left and right. They're just going over the talking points. So this is a very short video because really I got no information for you. Basically I got the email like you got the email. I got the I got the poster like you got the poster. I didn't get a decal. Okay, that pissed me off. Everyone got a decal on their little pamphlet thing. I got the poster and the letter. I didn't get a decal. So I'm gonna make a phone call. Wait until September and the clusterfuck that's gonna happen with the reordering. You have not even seen a cluster yet until you get all the reorders, because every order that's in the pipeline is going to have to be put back into the system for 2022. And now we're going to get all new options. You're going to get color options. You're going to get colors that might go away. This is just going to be a headache. Am I waiting for my Bronco? Hell yeah. I'm on the East Coast also, so my Bronco, my Ford dealer still has not got a Bronco. So I don't know if they screwed someone over and they're not getting a Bronco, but all I know about that is that I can't do a test drive even. And I'm not going to New Hampshire to do the jamboree because I don't think it's worth the money, and I've done enough four-wheeling in my time where I don't need to go to the rodeo. The only reason I would go to a rodeo is after see a Bronco in person, because the only Bronco I have seen so far is on Route 84 doing 75 miles per hour as I'm chasing the damn thing down just to look at it for real. So, other than that, hope you tune in to some of the Jeep stuff, because I'm probably taking the motor out of this thing because I got some time, and considering I'm not going to have the Bronco to play with for a while, I figure I still got some more stuff I want to do to this thing. So I will check you later. Check you later, dude. If you know the movie reference, good for you. If not, get a life. I think I've thrown enough insults at you today, and I think I got a fever. So I'm going to go. Have a great day.